How to reset or start a new exercise in Cyberdojo. Sometimes you want a fresh start, and here's how to reset an exercise. First, open the exercise you are working on and click the reset button above the editor panel. This clears all your current code and test results while keeping the instructions visible. If you want to try a completely new exercise, go back to the Exercises tab and click Start Exercise for any new challenge. Resetting is great if you are stuck or want to practice the same exercise again. It helps reinforce learning. How often do you reset exercises to practice again on Cyberdojo? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can reset or start a new exercise in Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.